I keep seeing this video pop up saying how do cosplayers make money, and I haven't actually watched it, but I'm gonna tell you some neat tips and tricks. Get a job. Get a job. How do cosplayers make money? We get a job. So a real job, not YouTube and not an affiliate. Paid modeling, that's just an affiliate. Not selling our art, selling prints. So that's how we make money. We get a job. So, no, we don't ask our parents for allowance. We get a job. Because cosplaying is a pretty expensive hobby, so you have to learn how to save money, because especially once you start getting older, like you're an adult, like you're 18, you're gonna have to pay for your own hotels for conventions, you're gonna have to pay for your own bed, you're gonna have to pay for all your own supplies, and on top of that, you're gonna have to pay rent. So here's some cool saving money tricks. Don't flush every time you pee. Like, you know, the age-old phrase, if it's yellow, leave it mellow, if it's brown, flush it down. Like, I'm not saying clog the toilet, I'm saying like only flush it every couple times. So buy like clearance supplies, make your props out of foam instead of Warblow. There's a big one right there. Only go grocery shopping, like, and only get the bare necessities when you grocery shop. Mostly try to find everything online, and usually for cosplay stuff, you don't really need high quality makeup, so stick with like NYX, ELF, LA Colors, and Wet n Wild. Just stick with like the cheaper brands, cause honestly, when you're shopping for things, check prices low to high. Download Honey. It's a coupon app, or it's a coupon toolbar thing, kind of, but it's not like a toolbar. It's like where Adblock is. It's just like all in the corner there, so you don't really, doesn't clog up your space. Download the apps like Joanne's app. Don't throw away your scraps. Those are always reusable, especially when you start making like details, like raised details for like foams or fabric or whatever. Like, don't throw away your scraps unless they're like litter unusable. Use whatever coupon codes you can. Like, look up reviews of things before you buy them. Invest in wigs that are heat resistant, so that you can restyle them over and over again and use them for different characters. Don't buy like 10 different generic black wigs that are just styled differently. Like, you have to get one curly and one straight because they're synthetic, but they make synthetic heat resistant wigs, so just restyle your wigs. Oh, one of my chickens just escaped. Not one, but two. Another fun money saver is chicks, or chickens, but get them while they're chicks because they cost less. These were like $3 each, and they lay their own eggs when they're hens, so you never have to buy eggs again, basically. Learn how to multi-purpose things. For example, dish soap. Not only is this dish soap, cleans dishes, mix it with water, spray bottle, cleans chickens, mix it with water again, cleans makeup brushes. DIY stuff a lot, like make your own shelves out of shoe boxes, And when you go to the store, make a list. Don't buy a bunch of stuff that you don't need and are never gonna use. Here's the scraps I was talking about. Yeah, and some more scraps of ribbon. Like, honest, just like start becoming a hoarder. Everything will go well. EVA foam as a stamp. Don't buy custom stamps. Fabric medium, like invest in some fabric medium. It's really like only $3, at least for this kind. And guess what? You don't have to spend $6 every time you want fabric paint. And fabric paint doesn't come in all the colors that acrylic paint comes in. So get some of this. Saves you lots of money. Make sure you log what you have in some way. I use the app Sortly because, you know what? Why do we have 3 utility knives? Litter, get creative. You see these old Raven boys? Guess what this is? They're those like party poppers. They're like $1 for like a dozen. I forgot to record a outro, so here's the outro. Thanks for watching. Sorry it was kind of unrealistic. Yeah.